Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove all transient from WordPress database using phpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to remove unused data. So we are in phpMyAdmin and this is our WordPress database. So we are going to remove or delete all transients. Now you see SQL. So click on it. So we are going to add SQL query. So we are in SQL section. So what is transients? Transients are temporary option stored in the database. So we are going to delete expired transients also. Now paste query and you will find both SQL query in video description or in comment section. Now you see delete from WP1W. So this is our table prefix and then you see table option where option name like transients. Again you see another query delete from WP1W. So this is our table prefix and this is our table name. So you can add table prefix according to requirement and then you see where option name like transients timeout and then click on go and then you see 15 row deleted from transients and then you see 0 row deleted transient timeouts. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.